Alright guys, I'm going to run my slider for Fat Beta Ray Bill. Thanks for everyone who bought in, and hopefully my computer gets through. 4:16 here in Perth, WA, 4:16 here in Perth, WA on 23rd of December 2021. The list is 157 Neville up to spot number 1, which is Jared, and I've put them in. Puts Jared at spot 1 down to 157, which is Neville. I double checked all these spots, so the numbers should be right. Let's roll this dice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should be 2 more to go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second last. And final roll. Good luck everyone. Winner, hit me up when you've seen this. Alright, so the list has been done 9 times. Dice is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the winner is Morris. Congratulations, mate. Spot number 42 has got you that book. Let's get another timestamp. 4:18 and 4:18 in Perth. Let's double check that. Spot 1, Morris. It is done 9 times, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. Merry Christmas, everyone. And Morris, hit me up when you've seen it. Thank you.